Okay, so I've already filmed this intro once, but my husband got called out to work, so here we are again.
Chasing the sun, all those days, trying to find a place that you'll make them just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continuous support. It means everything to me. And I am so excited. As you can tell by the title, today I am going to be trying some of the products from the new Tutti Frutti line from Too Faced. I saw it on Ulta and I was like, yes, Lord. Yes. So I only ordered the products that I would use. Alright, there was not a primer, so I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Prime and Poreless Skin Smoothing Face Primer. And this is what it looks like. And y'all, I started the face mask I reviewed. I started the Teamy Blends 30-day detox. I've been on it for a week today and I have already lost 5 pounds, y'all. Whoop, whoop. Okay, sorry, I had to share. And it tastes really good. I'm loving it so far. And remember, this video is not sponsored. I'm just drinking my skinny tea, even though it's like 10 o'clock at night. But I could not wait to film this video because I haven't had a chance to sit down and film. But like, I had to hurry and use this product. So here I am. But anyways, don't forget, if you go to Teamy Blends, you can use the code JessieLynn for 15% off. Okay, let's get back into this video. Okay, for the foundation, I'm going in with the Too Faced Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation. It's infused with juicy watermelon and fresh cucumber. And it's long wearing, dewy finish, hydrating, and brightening. And there goes my AC. But it's hot up in here. So, anyways, the packaging is so cute, y'all. It's so cute. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte brush. Hope that the shade is a match. So, and look, oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like melons. It looks maybe just a tad bit light, but maybe it'll oxidize. It's blending out really easily. I would definitely say, you know, it's a medium to full coverage. I'm not going to put it on my eyelids because if it is very dewy, I don't want it to make my eyeshadow crease. But it is looking beautiful. I'm really loving it. It feels really good. It feels lightweight. It feels very moisturizing. Alright. For concealer, I'm going in with my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm going in with the shade Swan. If I didn't say that foundation was in the color Vanilla, but I might have said. Anyways, I filmed a haul video the other day, and I don't know if I'm going to get that one up first or this one up, but this was actually in my haul video. And I have learned a little bit, goes a long ways. I'm using this to highlight and to prime my lids. To set the concealer, I'm going in with the Too Faced, it's Bananas Setting Powder in Banana Cream. All the packaging on these are so cute. And then you open it up and it's got the little banana, and you're probably going to be able to see, even through the window. But this is what it looks like, y'all, and it's just so cute. And I'm just going to go in with this BH Cosmetics brush to set everything, or not set everything, I'm just going to set where I put that concealer. I'm going to go on with a little Earth, my BH Cosmetics powder brush to do the rest of this. And to make sure that's good and blended in. I would definitely say it's brightening. Like, it's definitely brightening. I feel like for me though, it's too dry for me. don't know if you can see, like up around my nose and stuff, it got really, really dried up. Really dried up. I think for me it's gonna be a miss. I feel like it's just too dry on my skin. We'll see how it goes after it sets. Okay, next I'm going in with the Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer in Pineapple Sun. And this is the packaging. And then it's got the little pineapple dude. And that's what it looks like. I'm actually just going to go in with that side, and I'm going to use that side for highlight. That is a very pretty bronzer. This bronzer is blending out very easily. It's very gorgeous. Oh, this brush is another one, or it's one from another BH Cosmetics set. Sorry, it's really dirty right now. From that bronzer. Now to contour, I'm going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. And I'm just going in with my Morphe M530 brush. And I'm just going to contour my cheeks today. Ooh, I did contour them, babies. I'm going to go in with my stippling brush and blend it just to make sure it's good and blended. Alright, now for blush, I'm going in with the Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duos in Strawberry. And then there's the little strawberry dude. And I'm going with my Ulta Beauty blush brush. And I'm really curious to see what these look like. Mixed together. So I'm just going to kind of swirl it. Oh, this smells so good. That light shade has like some glitter in it that mixed together. It gives a really nice deep pink shade. Almost like a violet color. It's really pretty. Alright, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques setting brush. And I just use this to highlight. And I'm going to go in with that lighter shade in the bronze duo. That is so pretty. That is very nice for a highlighter. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it. Hi girl, hi. Who are you? I noticed you from across the room. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Razzle Dazzle Berry Eyeshadow Palette. And on the bottom they are named. And this is what the packaging looks like. And then I did swatch them the other day. Me and my husband couldn't take it. They were gorgeous. Gorgeous swatches. It smells amazing. I am just going to go in with this Real Techniques, this BH Cosmetics fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in with the shade Bad to the Berry. Okay, this is Pink Suede. Okay, so I'm going in with Pink Suede, which is that shade right there. And I'm going to pop that in my crease. Right off the bat, I went in very lightly. Yay, my AC's off. Anyways, I went in very lightly, so right off the bat, I'm already seeing that it is very pigmented. And I am not seeing, like, any fallout. I mean, obviously when I tap my brush, but, like, on my palette, that's the color I used, I'm not seeing any fallout. So that is really awesome. I don't mind fallout, but I don't want my eyeshadows to go by like that because there's so much fallout. They're going by quicker, but I also don't want it so pressed that I can't even get a color payoff. And this has like no fallout, but it's coming, you know, it's getting on the brush very easily, so that's really awesome. Like, it's so pigmented, and it's definitely blended out very easily. Now I'm gonna get like this angled fluffy brush from my VH Cosmetics set, and I'm gonna go in with that purple shade, and I'm gonna pack that and then blend it out in this outer corner. And that is so pigmented because I'm barely going in. And the color payoff is just insane, especially for how easily it's blending out. But I do want to go in with a different brush. Alright, I'm going to use my Morphe M332 brush. Oh, I hit my funny bone. That wasn't that funny. I'm sure y'all were laughing at me though. I'm packing that on that outer corner, and then I'm just blending it out, bringing it some in the crease. Not real high. So far these shadows are very easy to work with. I'm going to take that fluffy brush I was using and go in with that pink shade to blend out these edges. Alright, now I'm going to take this little brush and I'm going to go in with that shade right there. And I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Blend that. I'm going to go in with this like flat concealer type looking brush. And I'm going to go in with that shade right there. And then I'll spray it with my MAC Prep and Prime. And then I'm going to pop that on the lid. Wow. Ooh. Oh my gosh. And it's like feeling so like buttery. It's moving so good. This is so beautiful. And there's no fallout underneath my eyes. And I'm going to kind of blend where those two colors meet. I'm in love with this palette now. So this was definitely a hit. I'm still looking at this powder. Like right now, I guess it's like settled in. And so the only place it's looking patchy is right here. But my nose has been extremely dry right there. So I'm going to continue to use this. We'll keep trying it and see. For my eyebrows, I'm going in, and this is also in my haul video, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I'm going in with taupe. But I'm going to do my brows off camera real quick, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back, and for eyeliner, I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics No Tug Waterproof Anti-Aging Gel Eyeliner. Okay, and I contemplated putting or saying the name of this mascara. It's the Too Faced Better Than. I'll link it down below. I do have a 6-year-old that watches my channel. She's not allowed on YouTube, but she does watch my videos. And I don't want her going around, Mama, use that Better Than blah 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 mascara. There are just certain things I will not say on my channel. I will keep it, you know, friendly for kids and whatnot. So it will be linked down below for all you grown-ups. But anyways, I love this mascara. It's flipping awesome. Or whenever you see my haul video, my husband picked out this color for me because I was wanting to try the formula of this. I had not tried it yet. Still haven't. It's the Revlon Matte, or the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and this is in the shade HD Devotion. I think my husband did a pretty good job at picking out a color because this is really pretty. I'm really loving this shade. And it is going really great with this eye look. Alright, I'm going to use my MAC Prep and Prime. And I am absolutely loving Loving the way this look came out. Which I don't really feel this lipstick drying down matte yet. I'm hoping it does because I want a lipstick that ain't gonna go nowhere. Okay? Anyways, but this foundation is so beautiful, y'all. I'm absolutely loving the foundation, that bronzer, and that highlight shade that's in it. I don't even know if it's meant to be a highlight shade. I think it might be, but it's beautiful for a highlight shade or for a more glowy bronzer. I'm sure you could swirl it together. That blush duo is gorgeous. This eyeshadow palette is amazing. And other than just this one spot right here, I am really liking that banana cream. Once it's settled in and once I set it with that MAC Prep and Prime, like, it looks beautiful. This lipstick's still not drying down. Like, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing it. And I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited about these products. So far, they are amazing. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If there's any new products that you've been trying lately that you really like, comment down below and let me know. And I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles!